Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your beauty routine. Today, we're reviewing the TLM Color Changing Liquid Foundation, which is quickly gaining attention as one of the best foundations for aging skin. If you're looking for a foundation that not only gives you flawless coverage but also adapts to your unique skin tone, this product might be your new favorite. The TLM Color Changing Foundation is more than just a regular foundation. It's designed to cater to all skin tones while offering a smooth, natural finish. The magic happens with its innovative formula that contains shadow-sensing beads. These beads encapsulate pigment, which transforms once the product is blended into your skin, adjusting to the perfect shade that matches your natural complexion. No more guessing what color will work for you. This foundation does the work for you. In addition to its color-changing properties, this foundation is also packed with SPF 15 protection, which shields your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This added sun protection is a game-changer, especially if you're someone who spends time outdoors or wants to make sure you're taking care of your skin while you wear makeup. But it doesn't stop there. This foundation is a tinted moisturizer, which means it's not only covering imperfections but also hydrating and nourishing your skin. Whether you're dealing with dry patches or looking for a glow that lasts all day, this foundation offers a natural, dewy finish that's perfect for everyday wear. What makes it stand out, especially for aging skin, is its ability to even out your complexion and hide wrinkles and lines. The formula is designed to smooth out the skin's appearance, making it look younger and more radiant. This foundation doesn't just sit on top of the skin. It blends beautifully, giving you a flawless, airbrushed look. Now, let's talk about its versatility. This foundation is suitable for all skin types, so whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, you can count on it to stay in place and provide all-day coverage. Plus, it's lightweight and breathable, so you won't feel like you're wearing heavy makeup. Another great feature is its long-lasting formula. As the day goes on, the foundation will continue to adjust to your skin's needs, ensuring that you have a consistent and natural-looking finish, no matter the time of day. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or going out for the evening, this foundation keeps up with you. To sum it up, the TLM Color Changing Liquid Foundation is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a foundation that works with their skin, especially those with aging skin. It adapts to your unique skin tone, provides SPF protection, hydrates, and helps to hide wrinkles, all while leaving your skin looking youthful and glowing. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this foundation and how it worked for you.